Assalamu alaikum. Hello, beautiful people. Hope you are fit and fine by the mercy of Almighty Allah. So, as you can see where I am right now, actually, I have planned that I should go somewhere. There I'll get some relaxable time, or I will get some relaxable places. Finally, I have got. You can see what a beautiful place. It's a really catkin flowers in my hand right now. I am enjoying. You know, if anyone want to come this type of place, I think they will be able to enjoy it. It's really one kind of beautiful place, and it attracts our mind. So, I have planned it just couple of minutes ago. That's why I have called my friend. Finally, he joined with me. Right now, we are together, and right now we are together, and we are making video behind my camera. My friend is making video that is mine. So actually it was planned. Finally we have done it. So no more today. Thank you for watching.